How to replace the cutter in an HP DesignJet T120, T520, T100, T500, T730 and T830 printer series. Turn off the printer. Open the ink cartridge cover. In the T730 and T830 models, you will need to remove a screw. Pull down the blue lever. Remove the cutter. Insert the new cutter, making sure the two white gears are engaged under the rack. Move the cutter to the center of the printer. If it is blocked, remove it and insert it again. Push the blue lever until it clicks into place, and close the ink cartridge cover. In the T730 and T830 models, you will need to reinstall the screw. Turn the printer on. Make sure that a roll of paper is loaded in the printer. Press the setup icon, and select Form Feed and Cut.